Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Smokey Bear X, and today I'll show you guys how you guys can fix this app can't be open. As you guys can see on the Xbox app, I've tried opening Forza Horizon, it wasn't working. I even tried Farming Simulator, it wasn't working. So the way you actually fix it is really simple. You guys want to right click Window, Apps and Features. Once that's open, once that's done, you guys want to search up Xbox, and then you guys want to go on Advanced Options. Go all the way down. You guys want to repair and then reset it. Once that's done, you guys want to go back to Apps and Features. You guys want to search up also Xbox Console Companion, and then you guys gonna do the exact same thing. Xbox, so Advanced Option, repair and then reset. Then you guys want to do the exact same thing for gaming services. Advanced Options, repair and reset. And then finally, you guys are going to be doing the same thing for the Microsoft Store. Now what you guys want to do, you guys want to make sure that your Xbox application is not open. Then you guys just want to go ahead and open Xbox, and then you guys can literally just like run any games that you're having issue. I'm just gonna open Forza for example, and then that's pretty much it, guys. If it did help you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you guys smash the like button. Catch you guys later. Take it easy. Peace.